Hello, and welcome to this introduction to the Desmos calculator. You will have access to this calculator for upcoming tests, so it's important that you learn how to use it. So I've given you the link to the calculator to access on your Chromebook or computer. There is also an app from the Apple Store or Google Play. Either will work. Today, we're going to look at the Desmos calculator on the desktop. So when you go to this graphing calculator, you're not going to see anywhere to type. You need to go up to the top left, and where we see these two arrows, you're going to click here. And then at the bottom here, you're going to see here's an on-screen keyboard. If you're not able to type on a keyboard, you can use the on-screen keyboard, or you can type directly into the line here, and you can see my keyboard popped up. Before we do anything, I'm going to need you to go up to the top here where the settings, and fix the graph settings. Now my head is in the way. An important setting you must switch is down here. It will have radians highlighted. You need to switch it to degrees. If you do not switch it to degrees, your answer will be wrong. So you want to switch the settings to degrees. Now I'm ready to answer my questions and use my calculator. We're going to use Desmos to complete IXL Algebra 1 HH.2. So I've got it pulled up here, and you can see I got the last one wrong because my answer was in radians, and we need it to be in degrees. This is asking you to write your answer as an integer or as a decimal rounded to the nearest hundredth. Rounded to the nearest hundredth, and that is important. So I'm going to take cosine of 54 degrees and type that into my Desmos calculator. Cosine, COS, 54, and there I have my answer. 0.587 is what I'm going to highlight and round. So I'm going to copy 0.587, and I'm going to paste that into my answer here. Now it does say round to the nearest hundredth. In my hundredth place is going to be the second decimal spot. So the 5 is tenths, the 8 is the hundredths. You need to look at the number to the right, and if that number is greater than or equal to 5, you're going to round up. If that number is less than 5, you're going to round down. So we can see here the number to the right of 7. Let's change our color here. Right to the right of 8 is 7. We're looking at this number, 7. 7 is greater than 5, so we're going to round up. So how we do that, we're going to take the 0.58 and we round up to 0.59. All right, let's try again. Erase this. So the cosine of 52, I go back to my calculator. We're going to type here, pointer mode, cosine of 52. All right, and you can see it saves my previous answer. This time, my answer is 0.615. Then I copy and paste my answer here. 0.615, and I don't need the $sign. And again, I'm looking to see, is this number greater than 5 or less than 5? And the number I'm looking at is 5. It's greater than or equal to 5. Therefore, we're going to round up. So we take the 0.615 and the 1 rounds up to a 2. Give us the answer. All right, this one is sine of 59 degrees. We'll do one more example. Sine of 59 degrees, and that's 0.857. All of these are rounding up. That 7 is greater than 5, and so we round up. See, my 7 is greater than 5, so the 5 becomes a 6, 0.86. All right, that's all you're doing for this one. I hope that helps. Please see me or Miss Corboyer in class, and we'd be happy to show you more. That's all for today. Bye-bye.